Hey Mary, so you'll go into your account and go into the 10th edition course, and then here you'll find library. Under library, you'll click here, and this is where you'll find all of your instructor resources. If you just click right here into instructor resources, sorry, I've got a pop up. I just want to show you, here's where a test builder would be, as well as all of, end of chapter questions, opening videos, all of these resources that you can utilize. Test builder is where the full test bank is. So it actually just is pointing you back to right here. So when you go into under library, you'll go into test builder here, and everything is actually right here under this tab. So you'll go in and you'll be able to see all of the test banks for each question. These are no longer downloadable just for security reasons. And if you need something to be loaded into Blackboard, please let me know. I will put that message in the email as well. Thank you.